Commsec, Tom Piotrowski joining us live. Markets open up in just over an hour, Tom, so how do we begin the new working week?
Well, Pete, it'll be a workman-like improvement. We're expecting the market to be up by a little over 0.5%. It's a question of where the momentum comes from because there's a very big week of both corporate and economic news to navigate as far as the next 5 days are concerned. But without question, the momentum that we've seen established in recent times has been quite encouraging, particularly when you look at the US markets. They ended on a strong footing last week. The S&P 500 on Friday was up 1.7%. In weekly terms, it rose by 3.2%. Along with the Nasdaq, it was the fourth consecutive weekly gain. We've risen for 4 consecutive weeks as well. Last week's improvement was a little more anemic. We're only up by about 0.25%, but significantly, Pete, having threaded the needle on those inflation figures, both at the producer and the consumer level last week for the US markets, they've got some clear air now in terms of the inflationary discussion and the interest rate discussion. So it's a question of whether or not they seize upon that. But a big week for earnings as well locally, which I should point out as well.